Oh boys, the S2000, she's back on the road. We got something over here. Well, this is the motor that didn't fare so well. So at some point on the channel, we are going to be tearing the old motor apart, but for now, we didn't even bother tearing it apart. We just yanked it. We got the new one in the car, and today we're taking it out for like almost basically the first time. But she's looking pretty. Just gave her a good wash and a wax, keeping that black really nice, but she looks good, I will say that. I mean, look at those. Look at those. So, all right, we're gonna head out here. I'm gonna give you guys the first cold start on the channel. Super pumped. Not sure why I bothered putting you guys back here because the exhaust is all the way up front because she is still straight pipe. Yeah, no exhaust yet. So we're working on that, but we had to get the motor in it first. Anyway, off to the show. We got some fun festivities going on today. Believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, we are actually behind the wheel of the S2000. First time, I think, on the channel. So we're just cruising right now, but she's running good. It is very loud in here. I don't know if it comes out on camera or not. It is very loud in here because it is pretty much dumped right after the turbo, right there. So it's quite loud in the cabin. I'm not sure how well the audio is really going to be, so we're just kind of cruising. But yeah, pretty sick behind the S2000. This is a super fun car. Looking forward to making a ton of videos with this. All right, guys, and we are here at the show for today. Mr. Joe's meetup going on here. A lot of sick cars that we're going to check out today. Joe's over there somewhere. He's a good guy. He's celebrating 500,000 subscribers today, so that's really cool. So let's check out and see what's here so far. We're a little bit early. Show actually doesn't start for another about 15 minutes, but we're already filling up. This is Joe's ZL1. Pretty sick. Gotta be a ripper. This is pretty cool. We got a lime green C8. Haven't seen one of those yet, but the color looks really sick. I like it a lot. We got some Subi gang pulling in. This does bring back memories, guys. If you guys are old enough on the channel to remember my Subaru, I loved that car. Definitely want to have another one someday. We bought the Golf R as kind of a change over the Subaru, but mine was same color. It was only a WRX, but still a ton of fun. I do miss that car. Now this is pretty sick. I love this Cobra. Wow, gorgeous car. That's really sick right there. I'm not sure if it's real or a kit, but either way, it's still badass. We just had Subi Nation roll up over here, and then every car show has to have Mustang Row. So this thing, really nice. One of my favorite cars here, actually.
This thing's money, brother.
Super nice.
Money.
Super nice. Now, how much cooler is this than that? I'm sorry, but
oh, they're not even comparable.
It's not even comparable. Like, yeah, okay, yeah. They could just remake this and just sell it for the same price as that. Everyone would buy this.
I think they're bringing like $150 for this truck.
Probably. Yeah.
I think nice. I saw this was on Bring a Trailer, if I'm not mistaken.
Wow.
And I think it bought like $150.
I wouldn't be surprised. Really nice. Ton of cool cars out here, guys. I don't think we're gonna be sticking around too much longer, but at least I got to show you guys some of what was at the show. Really quality show, and congratulations again to Joe for his 500,000 subscribers. Aaron's on the channel as always.
What's up?
See Aaron.
Wait, hold on. We got a new addition to the channel.
New addition to the channel. Me and you, we had a baby. Hey, what's up, bud? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog.
Say hi. Say hi.
Just mean mugging.
No.
All right, guys, back in the garage. S2000 made it. She's running really good. So we're gonna be definitely doing some more videos with this. If there's anything special you guys would like me to do with the S2000, let me know in the comment section below. But I'm super excited to finally get some more time behind the wheel of this car because it is so fun to drive. Small update on the Golf. We did get some new tires. Look at that, some new, I can't even see it. Well, we got some new rubber on the Golf R. I'll be doing a new video on this soon. It's almost been a year since I've had this car. Time has been flying by, so we're gonna be doing an update video on the Golf R and plenty more with the S2000. So I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but we were just at the Cars and Coffee, so we're gonna end here and continue on later. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button, and as usual, we'll see all you guys on the next video. Peace.
Thank you.